What's up with the bluegrass? Is this what they mean when they say bluegrass music? Backside 900 flip. Fake it.
No, I thought you were gonna fall.
I was a little fucked up.
Little first line?
In my defense, he left that in a bad spot.
That was funny. It would have been funnier if it would have taken you out.
I know. I kind of thought about it.
Wow. Okay. Street league run.
That was kind of long. Kind of unnecessary.
I liked it though. You went with it.
That bump rail was really tall.
It is tall. Oh, dude, this guy's gonna skate. He's gonna skate the skateboard, bro.
Send it. That's the smallest one. Oh, that has no wax on it.
Bro, it's good, bro.
How you doing, man?
Bro, I watch you YouTube, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, it's crazy. I didn't think I was gonna see you.
Yes, sir. Can't be stopped. Wow. Dude, skate machine.
Let's go to the spot. We're deep today. like super deep in the desert. Project YouTube day 26. Fuck, it's almost over, dude.
Yes.
It's almost
We can't
over.
wait to see this video project.
Like, I'm excited for it to almost be over, but it's also like, it's kind of sad, you know? Because I've never like had a real like, okay, this is it for a video part. It's usually just kind of like, we're getting near the end. You need to kind of wrap it up.
Oh, so you have like complete control of when it comes out, what you want in it, and you have time.
Right, this way, this way. So
Whoa, so where are we?
So with this one, it's like, you know, the whole 30 trick thing. So it's like, I know exactly when it's over and things like that. But yeah, day 26, Moreno Valley. We went to that little skate park over there. We actually drove to a different skate park on accident that was like closed and not sick. That park was pretty rad back there. But this spot is something I saw on Instagram. It's like a 3 block or like 2, 2, 2 that you can go up in stages and then down. I didn't know what to expect, but it's cool. This place is closed, so it looks like I could actually skate for fucking ever. And it was supposed to be like 100 degrees today, but since it's overcast, we've got a little break, which is nice.
Dude, win-win.
And I also saw the overhead, so I was like, maybe we'll have shade. We don't, but we do.
We have it all, bro.
It's overcast.
So this spot looks like straight out of a Skate 4 map.
Totally. There's all kinds of 3 blocks. It looks like, I mean, those ledges definitely were skated. You can see that they're like uncapped.
So what's your vision for this spot? You gonna ollie up this 3, or how are you gonna get up it?
Well, I didn't really know what to expect. So in my head, I was thinking like trick up, 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 and then a flip trick down. Now that I'm looking around, it's like there's a 3 stair there. So maybe we could do like a line to this, or maybe a trick down this to that. There's ledges.
This could look sick right here.
Yeah, for sure. And then there's these little 2 stairs.
Manual pad heaven?
These outlets would have been so tight. You can tell that they were all capped. Sucks. Like they were notched out.
Bro, this legendary spot, and they just had to take it out.
3 up, 3 down. Could be sick. A line here. Trick up, trick down, up, 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 back down.
Wow.
A lot. Now let's look at one more thing over here.
It's sprinkling. Perfect.
We do it on a line with like a backsmith down this. I have no idea what to do here. There's so much, and this is kind of like, it's almost frustrating when a spot has too many options, because you kind of get like, it's tough to figure out what you want to do. So I'm gonna set it up and just kind of do a couple of things around, feel it out, and then I'll start trying to think about like a real idea. So this is a good flat ground if it rains.
Super flat.
Nice. Oh, never mind. There's holes in the ceiling.
Excellent broom technique.
That's how you know these are good shirts, because you could use them as brooms. Still wear them. Sorry, Power Peralta Skate Shop, if you're watching this. It's the first thing I grabbed. I left my broom at home because I went on a trip recently. Let's just try just up 3, down the 3, and then up this 3, down this 3.
Cool, let's do it.
Yeah, let's try it. A lot of ollies. I want to do a switch hard flip on something. Let me do a couple just to see what they feel like.
Got any trick tips?
Yeah. When you do it, I watched guys from like the 90s, early 2000s. They would set their feet kind of like a kickflip. And this one over here, like on the corner, see from over there from your angle, like that. And you kind of just, it's almost like a pressure flip. Like it's not, but like your front foot flicks it only a tiny bit. Whereas a regular hard flip, your front foot does a lot of the flicking.
Just like this.
Just like this. That's how
That's crazy, because it's almost like you're about to do a switch straight flip.
Yeah, it's like how all my favorite pros do switch hard flips. And Ronnie Krager, Chris Cole. Fucking I feel like every pro before the year 2015 does it that way.
Right here.
I could just just run from here for sure. I can ollie up this block like realistically. Like
what?
can I ollie this?
Yeah, for sure. I think you
so?
can. Totally.
Let me try to ollie up it and then maybe front 180. See if I can do that. The ollie up, and then a trick down. If this works with the right speed, I'm gonna warm up a little bit more in flat, practice this trick a bit more. Maybe switch hard flip like the smaller one first, just to kind of feel it out. So we'll try this. If it looks cool, feels good, I'll keep it rolling. There's 2 of a 3 block. Let me see if I can switch hard flip this thing. I'm gonna try that.
All right.
Just this thing.
So you're gonna ollie up, or are you just gonna?
No, I'm just gonna come this way just to see if I can
cool.
if I even have like, if I even have the courage to stick it down, tinier one, you know?
Sounds good.
Wow.
Yo, that's not bad. Second try stick.
Maybe I could do this down the bigger one. It's for sure gonna be different. Let me try. Okay, so maybe I could do it down the big one because it's only one more stair.
Yep.
One more block. Dude, this ground is so good.
Assess.
I'll ollie up, front 80, switch ollie it first.
Cool.
And see how that feels.
Let's do it. Wow.
Yikes.
You gotta almost go like right in between there.
Yeah, that was kind of scary.
Right?
Dude, it's so sandy right here.
Should we hit it with the shirt?
I just need to land the trick better, that's all.
You just
Oh,
said like
God.
no, like you didn't like the kickflip.
I didn't. Of course, that's the one I landed.
I know, it's usually how it goes, but at least you landed it.
Okay. I think I'll try to switch hard now that I'm completely tired and out of breath. Should go well. I'm gonna give the switch hard flip a couple goes. Same thing, ollie up, quick front 180, hopefully at the line with enough time to set my feet up, and then just try to fucking commit no matter what. I'm gonna wax my wheel well, so I think that'll help.
Is this a secret cheat code?
This just helps with wheel bite a little bit, tiniest bit. I don't know if it really helps, but I see people do it.
You hoping you get it this try?
That'd be tight. Wow, I could have landed it. Fuck, I was like, maybe I'm going too slow. I wasn't. like, there's no way I'm going fast enough, and I landed like here. Fuck, this trick just goes up, you know?
Yeah.
So it's like, you could probably go super slow and do it. Set up properly. That's the tough thing about this is
Quick setup.
Yeah, you only have a little bit right here to do it.
It's called quick feet, ninja feet. .360 hard flip. Feeling better?
Dude, it's tough because like with that one, it felt like I was going too slow again.
But you had enough speed.
But it was enough speed. But it feels like you're, you know, and it's hard to commit when it doesn't feel right.
Facts.
But it is right, so fuck, very frustrating.
That seemed like it worked a lot better. That's dangerous. Oh my gosh.
It's so hard to land that one.
That was so it.
Like, I just have to commit no matter what.
Yeah? Wow.
That was crazy as fuck. Do you think I was gonna roll away? Because I sure as fuck didn't.
Dude, you landed it while it's raining.
Yeah, it's starting to sprinkle now, huh?
That helped, huh?
Well, I'm just like, I'm starting to get tired. My feet are starting to hurt. I need to just do this. And my board's getting fucked up. So it's like, the longer it takes to land the trick, the harder the trick becomes regardless of like how you feel. So yeah, being tired and rain.
Dude, you made it happen,
Had to
bro.
fucking do it.
Yes. GoPro day what?
26.
That's it.
Project YouTube 26 in the books.
So is that your like first switch hard flip or what?
That's like definitely the first one I've done at a street spot for sure. I mean, this was really. This is the first one, but yeah, I've done a couple down like the stairs at the Westchester skate park, like the 3 stairs, like down like little skate park stair sets, like 3 stairs and stuff. But yeah, this is the first one down like an actual spot. Not the craziest trick at all, but down a gap, it's like definitely pretty scary. You have to let it flip through your legs and like it's switched, so that just adds like a sketchy element to it. But stoked it worked out. It's definitely a little bit more of a battle than I thought. But also I'd never done down something, so I didn't know what it was gonna be like.
It's also not called an easy flip for a reason.
No, I get it now. It's definitely not. Project YouTube day 26. That's it. See you in a couple days.